Two HR platforms trusted by thousands, Zenefits and Deel. Which one really delivers? On the left, Zenefits, the all-in-one HR solution for US businesses. And on the right, Deel, the global payroll and compliance powerhouse. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's what we're going to break down to decide which platform actually deserves your trust. First up, we've got pricing. Yep, money talks. Then we're looking at global payroll and compliance, because, come on, we're in 2025 and businesses are everywhere now. We've also got HR and onboarding, integrations and usability, and last but not least, support and experience. So, hang tight as we go category by category. Let's talk pricing. So, Zenefits kicks things off at just $8 a month. Seriously, that's pretty dang affordable if you ask me. You even get a free trial to poke around before committing. But, minor catch. You want stuff like full payroll or more bells and whistles? That'll bump up your cost because they add on fees for the extras. Now, Deel, yeah, it's more upfront about its prices, but wow, they start at $49 a month per user. For real, that's quite a jump. And don't expect a free payroll trial, which, honestly, kind of a letdown. Deel does throw in a free HRIS for all company sizes, so points for that. But overall, Zenefits steals the win here with the better value, especially if you're watching your budget. Moving on, let's chat about global payroll and compliance. Zenefits? It's rock solid if you're sticking with US-based employees because it checks all those regulatory boxes and manages benefits with no fuss. But, and it's a big but, global payroll isn't really their thing. Now, Deel, oh, and here's something cool. They handle payroll in over 100 countries and more than 200 currencies. Seriously, crypto payments, over 100 payment methods, local compliance pros everywhere. If your team is scattered across the planet, Deel is basically the no-brainer. Some little quirks though. All those fancy invoices, still just in English. And if you ever need to tweak a contract, it's Addenda City. Also, weirdly, no phone support. But for global businesses, Deel takes this category hands down. All right, let's jump into HR and onboarding. Zenefits is where things get fun for HR nerds. Benefits, onboarding, time tracking, even performance reviews, all wrapped up in one platform. It really feels tailored for American companies. So if that's you, you're golden. Not as flexible internationally, though. Now, Deel has automated onboarding processes. Great for remote or global hires. Integrated doc management? Nice. But kinda annoying, the best onboarding features and all those workflow automations, you'll need to pony up extra cash. And heads up, no built-in time tracking. So for pure HR muscle, Zenefits keeps the upper hand here.
Wait, did you know? Deel actually lets contractors get paid in crypto straight to their Coinbase wallet. I mean, it's the future, right?
Let's talk integrations and usability, because nobody wants janky software. Zenefits plays nice with basic US-centric payroll platforms, and you get the essentials. But compared to Deel, it's kinda limited. Deel, honestly, they go big. Over 100 integrations baked in. QuickBooks, Bamboo HR, Greenhouse, you name it. Even APIs if you want to hack stuff together. The onboarding feels smooth, but fair warning, Deel's all-in-one vibe means there's a bit of a learning curve if you want to use every single feature. Still, in terms of raw integration power and usability, Deel comes out ahead. Now let's wrap up with support and experience. Zenefits offers classic phone and chat support. You ring, someone answers. Pretty simple. US-based customers seem happy overall, though some folks mention that response speed can vary. On the flip side, Deel gives you 24/7 online help, plus local experts in each country, which is honestly impressive if you're spread out globally. But weird quirk, no phone support, and billing help only in English, which could be super annoying. All things considered, for most straightforward HR needs, especially if you're in the States, Zenefits snags the win here. The dust is settled, categories scored, and visually, you can really see Zenefits shining in HR, payroll, and support. Super tight for US teams. But Deel? Absolute beast in global features and integrations. So it honestly comes down to what your business needs most. So here's my honest take. If you want no-fuss HR, killer benefits management, and payroll all for a solid price, Zenefits is right up your alley. But if you've got folks working across the world and compliance nightmares keep you up at night, Deel is made exactly for you. Was this breakdown useful? If so, hit bookmark so you can come back anytime for HR advice in 2025.